Now, let me talk to you about other important things. I want to talk to you about the alternative title tag and share with you my thoughts on this. As Google has evolved in its ability to better understand user intent, it is advisable to analyze the title tags of the top 10 existing competitors in the SERPs for each keyword before deciding on what type of title tag to construct. Now, what I showed you in the SEO template is the traditional keyword on the left, tagline on the right, which works 90% of the time. However, I want to introduce you to a more topic-based or more headline-based title tag that may be necessary depending on the keyword you're going after, which is why there is no one-size-fits-all for this, and which is why I allocated space for you to apply an alternative title tag in a template when the need arises. So as mentioned, the SEO template has been modified to accommodate a new column for you to put the alternative title tag for each keyword or topic if necessary. So some of you were asking earlier, is there an example of a topic-based title? As it turns out, yes, there is. Here's an example where the query is weight loss tips. And there's a few things you're going to be learning on this slide itself. Number one is that concept of position zero. In the SEO world, there is this position known as position 0 or rank 0, and this does not refer to the top organic result, because the truth is that position 0, as what you're seeing over here on the right, is actually a featured snippet. The mechanism for Google to show up position 0 is a featured snippet, and it does not take away the 10 organic results below, so which is why it's known as position 0 or rank 0 in the SERPs. And if you observe the actual results, because this is a screenshot, the title tag is actually long. It's 26 weight loss tips that are actually evidence-based. Now, you will see, of course, the mention of the word weight loss tips in the title tag. But I just want to warn you, it's not always the case. There are many instances where the actual query is not in the title tag, but that page ranks really well. Why? Because Google has departed away from lexical search engine to a semantic search engine. And in the semantic world, there is no 100% necessity that the actual keyword must be in the title. So just, again, for those of you who are old birds at least, learn to alter your mindset and your approach as well. And I'm giving you everything you need to do that. So over here is an example of a topic-based title tag. It's not keyword tagline with a pipe in between. It is literally a headline, 26 weight loss tips that are actually evidence-based, or you can call it a topic-based headline. And of course, this goes into the title tag. And that's why I call this the alternative title tag. So you will have to observe. And let's kind of reverse engineer this result by going to the browser. And presumably, let's go in and key in weight loss tips, position 0 results, featured snippet. As you can see here, it says featured snippet shows up. This is the headline or title tag. And if you observe the rest of the results, you can see that Google has a preference for headline-based title tags. Now, obviously, it's not the sole factor that decides what goes into the top 10 SERPs, but this is one example, my friends, where the query is weight loss tips, but nothing in page 1, number 1 result mentions the word tips. It says how to lose weight fast, 3 simple steps based on science. There's no mention of tips. In the next example here, which is position number 2, the word tips and weight loss are separated. It's 21 tips for weight loss that actually work with a pipe, Everyday Health, which is the brand. And then you have the third result, which 12 tips to help you lose weight, which is again the website brand, NHS. My point is that these are all topic-based headlines more than typical keyword tagline. Basically, looking at the results over here, therefore, if you want to rank for weight loss tips, you are advised to use a headline-based title tag as opposed to the usual traditional keyword and tagline. And that is my point.